Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are doing great and they are enjoying their lives. My dear friends, this video is going to help you a lot because this is for so many people who are searching for these kind of things that actually they can make by saving their time in less time and in simple and easy ways. So, this is about crochet and fabric quilts. As you know, whenever we want to make quilts, it's not easy if we do the whole thing with crochet because doing such bigger projects is actually the thing that takes time. But these are the things that are super beautiful. You can see on the screens. These are fabric along with crochet, and these are easy to make. You can take the less time and less amount of yarn and make them easily, and it will save your time, it will save your yarn, and along with that it will give you pieces that would look super stylish and super beautiful. One more thing is that these kind of quilts can be easily used during the summer season when people want something comfy and not heavier, and they want something lighter to cover up themselves and they need it. And this video is going to give you ideas for the summer season because you are going to have very beautiful fabric and crochet combination quilt ideas, and these would be so amazing for you. Here on the screens you can see very beautiful color patterns, color scheme ideas, and so many designs that you can choose for yourselves, and you can make during this lockdown because you are having a plenty of free time, and this is the ideal time that you can indulge yourselves to make the things that you actually love to make, and this creativity would leave a positive impression on your personality, and at the end you would be having beautiful pieces made by your own hands. So if you are having a fabric that is printed or any kind of fabric that can be used during summer, for example I can suggest you like cotton and so many other things that can be washed easily, because when we talk about quilts it's important that we have to think that either we are going to wash or they are to be dry cleaned or something like that, because to wash the quilts and to get them dried is something difficult. But when we choose the fabric and choose the material that would be washed very easily, it will make the things easier for us. You can see these crochet kind of things like laces or crochet joints have added the fabric and added to the beauty of the quilts, and it's going to be amazing when you use, and these can be washed very easily, and during summer season you won't be feeling heavier anymore and you would be loving to wear these kind of things. I'm personally using these kind of quilts and these are so amazing and so stylish at the same time. They are going to give you a modern look as well as they are going to give you something very useful. You can make choosing the idea or the pattern that you want by yourselves. It can also be made if you are not having a single print. For example, you bought some pieces of cloths, like you bought to make dresses or something like curtains or like any other things, and now you are having some leftover printed fabric pieces of cloths. You can use that pieces in a different ways that are shown in the picture, and this would be a great idea that you can join those pieces by doing some crochet work like laces or some other kind of crochet, and these pieces would be joined in an amazing way, and you would be actually loving to see how the final look appears. So in this way you would be able to use your leftovers in a different and stylish way, because when we come to leftovers especially pieces that are no more be able to make something really good or big project, they can be used in a simple and stylish easier way, and this would be amazing if you do this way. This would create so many beautiful and amazing pieces. All the pictures are so stylish and I hope you are loving all these pictures. You can see on the screen these are amazing. These are not a single printed kind of things, these are in different prints. It seems that somebody has used the leftover printed fabric and along with crochet it has been actually joined, and it is looking so cute. You can see this crochet lace is actually making the border seem super gorgeous, and it is very beautiful. You can make also the pillow covers of this kind. This one is also looking gorgeous. This is a single printed fabric along with the same colored crochet the yarn has been used. I hope you are liking these ideas, and if you are liking, I request you to please hit like and subscribe if you are watching me for the first time. And important thing is that don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get the latest update. And I am so thankful to you for showing positivity and love to me and my work. Take care of yourselves and your families. Stay home and stay happy. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting me. Take care of yourselves. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.